Right about what I was thinking. So the first one would be this one, our rainbow one, which is usually the manifold absolute pressure sensor, which looks like that's a winner. We'll pop this off. These can be a little tedious, so break 1 second. I know most of y'all have your own trim tools and whatnot, but this here is Superman's fingernail. At least that's what it's dubbed as. It's a stainless pry tool, and it works so good. Look at that, just a little clicky poppy. I like to run these under this. For record's sake, I am just guessing. And if I need to pull up instructions, they will. But I got these BMWs down to a science. Ooh, that's some space age aluminum right. Golly. Here's our wastegate actuator. Take its diaper off.
Yeah, that's quicker. At least in this one, you know when you're in reverse because the camera. So it's been a process figuring out how to get this car into dyno mode,
So
but
much fun.
I think we figured it out. this train makes hay.
Almost exactly what the VW made. 359 and 405. Almost a 5,000 RPM delay for a watt fuel. Like it's not in power enrichment, not in power enrichment, woo, power enrichment, and then it's time to shift. Either that, or it wants to live life at 14.5 air fuel, which seems scary to me. It's kind of hot.
All right, so we had to switch it to map 2 because oddly enough, map 4 didn't read anything different than the first run on map 0. So, problem solving.
Trial and error.
So we got the data logger set up and updated the firmware on the juice box. Have it set to map 4 and hopefully it does what it's supposed to. Right now I can't find definitive details at this moment whether or not this has the 4-bar T-map sensor or a 3.5. But it's set to 4, and I think that's how it is for the Supra. So it's the only thing that I could think that might be throwing it off. But hopefully it's just gonna rock.
Guess we will find out.
Cherry limeade, you know, the best. Wait, no.
Yeah, I did.
Wait, what?
Yeah,
oh,
this-
370 something.
yeah.
And okay, so we made another 35 foot-pounds and 47 horsepower.
Looked like it was struggling to reach target. It was like it was commanding 18, 19, 20 pounds of boost, and the actual boost was like 18, and then it was trying to hold about 19, and it went to like 17, 16, and then redline. It was hard for me to look at that, and look at that all three at the same time.
Well, it definitely made power, so something's better.
There you go.
That's working now.
Yeah.
Like so 375, about 25 more, and then about 50 more torque. What map is this?
Map 2 is the latest one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Did we run map 4?
This was map 4.
Okay.
Map
Okay.
2. And so,
But they're saying that map 4 is safer.
yes-ish, but I think that if we put a couple gallons of ethanol in there, map 4 would tear it up.
Yeah, and then you can also run the full E30 file, which
Right.
is different than map 4
Map
as well.
5 is the...
Yeah.
Put it on your wall, hang it out.
Nice.
Nice.
Oh, that little guy.
Now we don't talk about that.